Nigerian police force, okay, I want to address the question of policemen arresting people coming from other states to come and arrest in another state. The police has a lawful duty to apprehend any offender in Nigeria. If you commit an offense, no matter who you are, it's the responsibility of the police to bring you to justice. Meanwhile, I want you to note that the strength of the police force today is over 300,000. We have a guideline. There is a general rule for the conduct of policemen in Nigeria. We don't expect that all the over 300 policemen in Nigeria will behave the same way. Sometimes we'll have some of our officers behaving outside the general rule. That should not be taken that is the behavior of policemen in Nigeria. In the particular case that you raised, I was told by the Commissioner of Police in Enugu that the journalist was invited to come and answer questions with respect to an allegation made against him, and he refused to honor invitation of the police. The police therefore had no other option than to arrange for his arrest. He was arrested in Abuja and taken to Enugu to answer questions. And I'm sure he's on bail already. So I don't think that should raise any, except you are saying that because he's a journalist, he should not be arrested.